Alright, it's been 3 days since I had a laptop. See this thing right here? Yeah, dead. In case you didn't know, I don't know if I said it on the name of my YouTube thing, but yeah, the power supply, this thing right here, whoops, come on, freaking, quit, table. This thing right here crapped out on me. Is either this part right here, like, getting pulled out and frayed. I don't know if you can see that, but there's a little bit of silver showing right inside there. Yeah, I don't know if you can see that. Or this part right here, can you hear that clicking noise? Like the contacts and the solder worn out from being jerked around so many times. Yeah, I need to be more careful with my next one. So for the past 3 days, I've been using this hunk of crap. Dinosaur material. I mean, it used to be bad, but now it's so infected. I've done at least 4 or 5 different virus scans. Freaking there. Yeah. That is completed. For some reason, it's got this weird error thing, and excuse me, you can only watch videos or anything on Opera. If you don't know what Opera is, actually it's a browser. A freaking block change. Opera's like Internet Explorer or Firefox or Chrome. It's not as good as Chrome or Firefox. Actually, I think it's about as good as Firefox, because Firefox sometimes gets bloaty and slow. And this actually works really well. But if I'm running the video, if I'm processing video, I cannot do anything. Like, I can maybe upload a simple website, maybe Craigslist, but if I try to watch a video, it's like, like, it's like a slideshow pretty much. It's so crapped up. And that's with a gig of RAM. Like before, when it was bad before, it only had half a gig of RAM. So without further ado, let's get my laptop over here. Set it up there. Got my power supply. And you know what? I'm gonna use a mouse. I was getting used to not using a mouse. I've been using a mouse, so I'm probably used to a mouse again. Alright, so let's unbox this thing. I have a knife on me. Not a fancy one, but receipt is free because it's covered by Dell's warranty. Papers about return, and here it is. Looks like the same thing. Actually, this laptop could take 3 different chargers, but I think I got the same one. Now I see right here, it does not shake. That's the first thing. Actually, it's a bit smaller, maybe. Let me set y'all right here. Ooh, I like this box. Look at this awesome foam right here. Here's the old one, and here's the new one. Dell Ink. The only difference is, let's see, it's the same exact size and everything, but it just, there's like a slightly different design and right here. Like the new one's a bit stiffer right here, where it goes out to the laptop, and the old one's like shorter and flimsier. And man, this thing's so beat up. It's been kicked around and pulled on grout and you know, hardwood floors, which that wouldn't really matter, but grout is what really toughs it up. And this one does not actually have a light. That's kind of weird. It's not a big deal, but I kind of like having a light on there so you know it's got power to it. But then again, you'll know if your laptop's got power when it doesn't go dead. Alright, so I got a new little Velcro thing. Mine wore out right away when it got sucked up by the vacuum cleaner. I was hoping I'd get a charger like my friend Trevor. His charger, the thing comes up on the tip, like this thing right here, it comes up at the corner. So it's like I don't know, I like the design better because it doesn't get pulled as much. And his has rubber instead of Velcro. Not a big deal, but that design looks more industrial, not industrial, but what do you call it? Reliable. Not reliable. Indestructible. Not indestructible. Just to look like it would take more of the test time. Twist ties. This one. Alright. Now this goes in here. There we go. Gotta be extra careful now. And I got this awesome 20-foot extension cord. Pull that out. This is at the end. Plug it in. Oh, it does have a light. Right there, it does have a light. That's cool. So we know we got power. Alright, now to plug it in. Now I don't know if my battery was really dead, but I turned it off before it died. Like it was flashing low battery and I turned it off before it was dead. Alright, here we go. 7 minutes in this video, it's too long, but you know, I don't really care. I have enough crap videos on my channel, whatever. Okay, continue with, really? I thought it safely shut down. Whatever. Is there anybody out there that has any experience with IBM and Lovendo? Isn't Lovendo? What was it called? Lovendo? Lenovo. Isn't Lenovo owned by IBM, like IBM computers? Password time. Here we go. Oh, yes. Woo-hoo. Whoa. What's going on, Dell? Work for me. Come on, baby. What? No Wi-Fi. I'm going to kill somebody. I better have Wi-Fi. Yes, that's how low my battery was before I turned it off. It was at... Can you see that? It was at 1% left when I turned it off. Plugged in charging. Let's put it in hyper performance. 1% is probably like 2 minutes or something. Because it says on a box it's supposed to be 4 hours long. Or 3 hours. But really, you get maybe an hour and a half. Which isn't bad, you know. I mean, it's a freaking monster. I mean, look up. It's a 17-inch laptop. And I have to poop. Actually, I don't. Not quite yet. Alright, so it's so nice to be back to my laptop and off of that old Stone Age heap of dump over there. That Dell Dell 3000 something. That's what it's called. I forget. Dimension 3000. So old, from 2004 or 5. And now I can go to YouTube. Oh, I'm already on YouTube. Freaking dude. Watch how fast. Oh. Oh. Let's go to Craigslist. I had Craigslist, but, you know. Might seem slow, but, it's not. Now I'm going to click on a link. How fast is that? Oh, look how fast that is. Instead of like 5 seconds later. Oh, wait. Wait. Oh. Nope. Nope. Yep. Didn't work. Oh boy, this is a happy day. Alright, you've seen enough. Goodbye. Comment, subscribe, and thumb me up.